Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AWS Cognito user pools from backups, full guide step by step clearly. To restore AWS Cognito user pools from backups, start by accessing the AWS Management Console. Sign in to your AWS account. Navigate to the Amazon Cognito service. Locate the User Pools section in the left-hand menu. Identify the user pool you wish to restore. Make sure you have a backup of the user pool configuration. This backup can be in the form of a JSON file. Download the backup file if it is not already on your device. Select the Create a User Pool button on the Cognito dashboard. This will begin the process of setting up a new user pool. In the Setup wizard, provide a name for your new user pool. Ensure the name is distinct from the existing pools to prevent confusion. Proceed through the configuration steps as per your backup specifications. You will need to replicate settings, attributes, and security configurations from your backup file. Be sure to configure the user attributes to match what was in the backup. Adjust the app clients and their settings to mirror those of the original user pool. After setting up the user pool configurations, review the settings carefully. Ensure that all details match the backups you've stored. Once confirmed, create the user pool. Next, you'll need to restore your user data. Go to the Users and Groups section within the Cognito dashboard. If you have a backup of user data, prepare to upload this. Use the AWS CLI or SDK to programmatically add users back to the user pool. This involves using the admin create user command for each user. You may need to write a script to automate this process for multiple users. Verify the user data restoration by checking the list of users in the new user pool. If needed, adjust user attributes or roles as necessary. Once all users have been restored, perform unit tests to ensure functionality. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.